Yeah, we saving it.
The water was at that line right there.
Had it. Wait.
As high as that line. From the ground up. And the river is over there, this way. So to the right of the house. And it flooded the entire street. So literally the van would have been pretty much underwater. This whole area here, underwater.
So you've got that factor, but so we have got to get more intentional about discipling men. Because if you think this is all just about like taking some dice and rolling it out there, that is crap.
Right.
Yeah.
See where it goes. See where it goes. Like,
Yeah.
okay, I
This-
tried. Okay, I tried.
We've got to be intentional about how we disciple men. We have got, God is counting on us to do this. So that's why it's time for the men to rise up.